This is fantastic news for 2026. After years of users needing VPNs and virtual numbers, the official rollout in Pakistan is a massive win for the local tech community. In March 2026, the experience is now fully localized. You no longer have to jump through hoops with foreign phone numbers or risk account bans by using a VPN. When you head to Claude AI, you can select Pakistan, +92, directly from the country drop-down. The verification SMS now arrives instantly on local networks like Jazz, Zone, or Telenor, making the passwordless login much smoother. Why this matters in 2026? Direct access. You can now use your Pakistani credit or debit cards for Claude Pro or Team subscriptions without payment gateway errors. Native speed. By removing the VPN layer, your latency during Claude Live voice sessions and Claude Code terminal tasks is significantly lower. Local compliance. Using your real identity ensures your projects and artifacts are tied to a verified account, providing better security for your professional data. 2026 Multi-Platform Sync. Now that the region is supported, the entire ecosystem is open. Web, full access at Claude.ai. Desktop, the Windows/Mac apps now support local file automation, cowork, in Pakistan. Mobile, the Claude by Anthropic app is officially available on the Pakistani iOS App Store and Google Play Store. No more sideloading APKs. It's a great time to be a developer or creator in Pakistan. Are you planning to use it mainly for coding, or are you setting up a specific research project?